Shawshank Redemption is about more than prison. Shawshank Redemption to me is recovery. Get busy living or get busy dying. And I struggled for a long time. I first, when I had the stroke, a year after, I went to AA, and I was reading and stuff, but not really listening. And then something happened. I got a sponsor who go with me on the steps and really commit and really go where no one's gone before. And the addiction and the obsession with finding ways to use is not a distractive quality. It makes you numb, and you always have that saying that you chase your high for the rest of your life. The feeling's not the same after that. And if you're struggling with addiction or something else in your life, you can quit and you can recover one day at a time. And the Shawshank Redemption is one of my most favorite movies because you either get busy living or get busy dying. And I have 5 years in 2 months, and that is a milestone. So if you're going through something that is hard and you can't find a way out, trust me, you will. Andy crawled through trash and stuff to get free. You can do this. You don't know what you can do until you have to.